Hey, what do you think about the UC game? That's interesting. Oh, yeah, I think that's cool. I can't believe you scored a touchdown. Yeah, me too. Do you like football? Oh, man. I guess not. Hey, you don't have to get mad at me. Hey, stop the arguing here. You need to stop. Just shut up. Just shut up. Shut up. I told you to shut up or I'm about to come over there. Hey, don't interrupt me. I'm about to come over and roundhouse kick you. Oh, you're gonna roundhouse kick me? We'll see, buddy. I told you not to interrupt me. Yeah, okay, buddy. We'll see.